Welcome to our CCQC presentation. We are from Titan Company Limited. Titan is the fifth largest watch manufacturer in the world. These are our major businesses. We are from Watches and Accessories division. Titan has many plants in India and our sourcing office at Hong Kong. This was our vision and mission statement. Watch Case Plant Coimbatore started in 2014. We are mainly focused on stainless steel watch case manufacturing. These are the parts inside your watches. We are from Team InnoGreen. Our team was Green Initiative. The team members are myself, Marudu Bandi, and Mr. Suresh. This was the case manufacturing process flow. We are choosing our project in the press shop. We adopt the quality circle 12 step among this project. In Titan Watch case plant, we are consuming 12 lakh unit per year. It was cost around 1.2 crores. So it is our responsibility to conserve energy and reduce the carbon emission. So we conduct a brainstorming session to identify the improvement areas in line with the green initiatives without compromising the customer requirement. In the session, 22 improvements are identified. We categorize those ideas based on cost, lead time, and the flexibility of the implementation. The categorization was shown here. Based on that categorization, we are choosing for 4 improvements for the implementation. In that 4 improvements, first we noted each one was consuming the more power. Based on the bar chart, the hydraulic power pack in the Aida knuckle joint press consuming the more power. Based on that bar chart, we decided to solve the problem on the top priority. It was the actual image of the Aida knuckle joint press. It was used to stainless steel watch case cold forming operation. The hydraulic power pack unit was used to eject the component. In Aida knuckle joint press, the main motor consumed 10 kilowatt per hour for pressing operation, but the overall machine consumed 18 kilowatt per hour. The balance 8 kilowatt was used to only ejection function. It to be reduced. In addition to that, the hydraulic power pack also creates some impact in the shop. Those are additional power taken, no space for input component placing, and more heat generated near the machine. To find the root cause, we are using the YY analysis. The catchword was the ejection system. To generate the ideas, we are using the brainstorming method. In that session, 10 ideas are generated. The first one was to provide the pneumatic system under the machine. It not produced the enough load, so it was dropped. The another one was to provide the crank system in the component to eject the component. It was working fine, so we choose the second one for the implementation. Before starting the project, we are forcing if any problem came while implementation. Those are solved or shown here. We are implementing this project using the Karakuri method. We are implementing the CAM system in the one machine and observed for the 1 month. The results are shown here. In the before image, the hydraulic power pack unit was shown near the machine. After that, the unit was replaced. In before the component was ejected using the hydraulic cylinder. After that, the hydraulic cylinder was replaced with the cam system. The Kaizen was started in 12-10-20 and ended in 24-10-20. The cost spent per machine was around 1.5 lakhs. After that, the main motor and overall machine power consumption are always equal. The tangible benefits are obtained using this Kaizen was around 2 lakh to 25 rupees was saved per machine. In addition to that, 15 square feet area was also saved. The actual cost saving was shown here. The intangible benefits are employee fatigue reduced, improved team confidence, and safety work environment was created. After that implementation, we are continuously observe the machine. During that period, some of the issue was noted. They are solved. It was shown here. After the successful implementation, the same system was horizontally deployed to another mission on 28/6/21. We have learned some things during the implementation. They are always think simple, explore the opportunities inside, utilize the available resources. Thank you.